Hello everyone. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to import a CSV file directly from the web in R. First, I'm going to open my RStudio and then create a new R script. To do that, I'll click File, New File, and R script. Next, I'm going to save it in one of the local drives. So here I created a folder called FWB Data Analysis, and inside that I'm going to save my R script as FWB code. Next, I'm going to go to the website of the Financial Wellbeing Survey data. So this is a survey conducted by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Here you can find the survey data file. Also, you can find the code book that is here and other documents as well to understand how the survey was conducted. But because in this lesson we want to download the data, we'll focus on this part, this download CSV file. I'm going to right click on this and then select copy link address. Next, I'm going to go back to my R script and create a comment so that I can make sense of what I'm doing in this code. So I'm just going to type importing FWB dataset. Next, I'm going to give the downloaded dataset or data frame a name, and I'm going to call it FWB data. Next, I'm going to use the assignment operator. Next, I'm going to use the read.csv function. Then inside that, I'm going to use this quotation, and inside the quotation, I'm just going to paste the link. Next, I'm going to select this whole line and click run, and this should download the data directly from the web. So it looks like the dataset has been downloaded. If I click on this, I can see it here. I can see all the rows, all the columns, and we will be using this data frame or this dataset throughout module 1.